Okay, you guys, we are gonna talk Seint lip and cheek colors. So, lip and cheek colors are highly pigmented, which makes them amazing. You need very little product, and a little bit goes a long way. So these lip and cheek colors can last anywhere between 6 and 12 months in your tin, and each tin is $14. We have a variety of colors all the way from gloss, very neutral, to our bold pops of color. And like I said, they're very fun to kind of play around with. So a couple dots of one color, add a dot of another, and you can make your own custom colors. So I just want to show you how beautifully pigmented. I'm going to do black cherry here, and I'm going to do a couple dots on my cheeks so you guys can just see here. I'm going to take my brush and a very little blend. Just adds the perfect pop of color. Grab a little bit of another color here, Hollywood, and you can just create your own custom look. Same on our lips. So our lip and cheek colors are just that, perfect for your lip and your cheek, and the same thing, are awesome to mix. So create your own custom colors. If you need some suggestions on lip and cheek colors, I would love to give them for you. And I will post all of the different colors available here under this link.